here we have two nodes running. The first one's the turtle sim node, and the second one is the turtle teleop key node. And you can see the RQT graph for the same with all the nodes that are involved. Again, all these nodes are something that ROS already comes with, right? Okay, cool. I have written 3 extra nodes, again in a different package. So I'm just gonna go to that package, ROS2 run turtle custom. If I press tab twice, I see all the nodes that are available, all the executables. So I have 3 extra nodes here. One is base, which is just basic keyboard control. Then spdcon, that's speed control, and the third one spiral. You are expected to create all these nodes by your own and build it and make it executable from the command line with ROS2 tools, like you see here. But the difference is that you would only be given the code for base, which is just really basic keyboard control. Let me run base here. Now it lets me control the turtle by pressing I, J, K, and L. It's pretty much similar to the built-in keyboard control node, but I'm just using different keys. And here, I'm just going to run my second node. That's ROS2 run turtle custom spdcon. Is it executing? Again, has the same functionality, but it lets me control the speed of the turtle by pressing W, A, S, and D. So I'm just going to increment my speed. And if I use the same keys, you'll see that I have a significantly faster moving robot. Now to decrease the speed, I need to press S. You can see the velocity dropping here. All this is fine. I'll just restart my turtle node here to clean up the screen a little bit. So Control C. If I refresh my RQT graph here, there are 3 nodes running, but the turtle node has disappeared. But let's run it again. And if you refresh it, you can see a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Okay, I have one more node, right? The spiral node. ROS2 run turtle custom spiral. Now what it does is that on top of these functionalities, if I press G, can be any key, it starts going in a spiral. Now all these are extra functionalities. Your grading would be based on how many extra functionalities you can implement on your code and the originality of your ideas. You would need to include a few extra dependencies other than RCLPy, because we are using a lot more functionalities here in these programs than the simple publisher subscriber system. And I would add these in your LMS folder, and you would find the source code for base node. All the other nodes are expected to be written by you in parallel. And one thing you can see here is that I can still use all the other nodes. I can use multiple controller nodes at the same time. Now, I'm trying to control the turtle, although the spiral node is trying to do its own thing. So I still have some control over the turtle, although the spiral node is executing in parallel. Now, I can refresh my RQT graph here. You'll see that there's a whole bunch of stuff going on here. This is my turtle control node, this is turtle sim control, and this is the teleop turtle node, the built-in node. And all these things are communicating with my turtle sim.